Hi, I'm women's fitness expert Julie Laurie, and I just got my hands on the newest flavor of Ultimate Muscle Protein. It's Angel Food Cake. I have been looking forward to this flavor for months, and I'm so excited to actually have it in my hands. So, first impressions, okay, when you open it, oh yeah, okay, you gotta get in here. This smell is amazing. It smells light and kind of, I mean, it's clearly very fluffy. A little bit of a vanilla kind of scent. I don't know. So far, it looks really good. All right, I'm going to make a shake for the first time. So I've got my Ninja blender, and I like to use the single serving cups with it. So let's grab some ice. And so not too much. I really want to just test out the flavor, so I want to do this as plain as possible. I'm going to go with 8 ounces of water. That should be about good. All right, let's reach in. Scooper on this one happened to be kind of easy to find. I'm going to reach in, grab it. There we go. Sweet. Okay. That together on there. Flip it up. It's going to get loud. Sorry. Okay, I think we're pretty good. All right, so with my Ninja, come over to the sink. Ooh. Okay, so that blended really super well. Ice is totally blended. Looks yummy. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Ooh, okay, so kind of a lighter taste, really just a little bit sweet, but not overly done. This is going to be one of my new favorites. This is an awesome flavor. Creamy. It's got a kind of a creamy texture to it, but really blended super well. Oh, I bet even with just ice and water in a blender bottle, it would do great too. So plain, I love it. Just with water and ice, it makes a really great shake. I can imagine that if I took and put it with some strawberry or some pineapple, that would be pretty incredible too. So one of my brand new favorites. I'm super excited that Beverly is introducing all of these amazing flavors. So this one's Angel Food Cake. Head over to fitbody.com. Pick yours up right away. Limited supplies, so head over there soon. All right, thanks.